What is up, YouTube? So I wanted to do a quick video. We'll call this the end of day one because I only worked a couple hours yesterday and a couple hours today because I had a lot to do. But as you can see, we got the Xspower D3400. I'll do a separate video on these. These are the Gym Machine Works battery terminals. As you can see, they attach with an Allen key right into the D3400. It's got 5 positive, 5 on the negative. So we did the Ultra Start Load Boss alternator. As you can see, there's a 275 amp alternator. I can tell you before, my idle voltage was 13.8, now it's 14.4. Again, the old alternator was old, as you saw in the previous video. So we got that done. We got most of the big 3 done. I still have another ground to run down to the frame rail. We started running to the back. So that inline fuse is going. That's going to go to the amps. This is to the alternator for the big 3. So not as much progress as I wanted to get done. I have my Alpine head unit ready to stick in there just for right now, and hopefully we'll get this wrapped up next weekend. So let me know what you guys think. If you got any feedback, any questions, any complaints, whatever, just let me know. You know what to do. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Questions, comments, throw them in the section below. Be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one.